Have you ever felt like you're living two lives? In one, you have massive dreams, big goals, and an incredible vision for your future. But in the other, the real one, you're stuck on the couch scrolling through the phone. It's frustrating, right? Your brain is wired to protect you from laziness. Look harder.
This is the path of least
When a
resistance.
goal feels like a mountain.
Comfort. But laziness isn't a personality trait. Its habits can be hacked. The fix. Shrink the task until it feels impossible to fail. Don't aim to work out for an hour. Aim to do 2 push-ups. Just learn one new word. Progress isn't about the size of the step. It's about you greased that you're moving. Progress isn't about the size of the step. It's about the fact that you're moving.
Willpower is like a phone battery, it drains throughout the day. Instead of relying on it, design your environment to support good habits automatically. Stop relying on willpower. If you have to fight yourself to get started, you've already lost. The fix? Build success triggers. These are environmental cues that make good habits automatic.
Routines are the autopilot for your goals. They take the thinking out of the doing.
Master the launch phase, the 2-minute entry. Newton's first law, objects at rest stay at rest. The hardest part of any task is the first 120 seconds. The fix, use the 2-minute entry. Tell yourself you only have to do the task for 2 minutes. Want to study? Just open the book and read for 2 minutes.
After 120 seconds, the starting friction disappears. Once the ball is rolling, it's much easier to keep it moving. The people you see succeeding aren't superheroes. They've just learned how to outsmart their own biology. Your dreams are worth more than a scroll. You don't need to be perfect today. You just need to be 1% better than you were yesterday. Start the fire. The final word. The people you see succeeding have learned to outsmart their own biology. They use systems. Pick one small thing right now. Do it for 2 minutes. Start the fire.